Hello, my name is Sarah Simon and I'm the Mint Gardener. It is such a privilege to share with you all about this new MaimeriBlu collaboration set of paints. These stunning watercolors were hand selected to create the most beautiful blends when mixed together, but then also, of course, because it's MaimeriBlu, each individual color is so stunning on its own. So I'm going to be creating a series of different projects from this collection to showcase why I picked these specific colors and also to see all the things that you can accomplish with just a few of these beautiful colors. So you can see I love to work on cold press watercolor paper. Just a little bit of that lovely texture adds so much beauty to your watercolor, and St. Cuthbert's is incredible. So I am going to start swatching out all of these different colors that are in this specific set. So we have Permanent Red Deep, Dragon's Blood, that's Naples Yellow, this is Hooker's Green, and then Payne's Gray and Titanium White. As we work through the different projects that I've worked on with all these different paints, you'll see why I wanted to do each one, but briefly, obviously you're gonna see how gorgeous they are just on this palette. I love working with things that are around my house. As you can see, I'm working with a Goodwill saucer and a pretty cup from my water jar. Anything to make painting more accessible and wonderful so that when you walk past a piece of art longingly and see it sitting there, you can feel invited to go and sit down at your desk with the minimal amount of work needed. So grab a saucer, grab a teacup. You don't need anything super fancy, but you are going to want to play with these stunning paints. So you can see just by using my flat wash brush, the vivacity of color already is just shining through. MaimeriBlu watercolors are known for their purity and transparency, and stemming from their focus on single pigment colors with a unique formulation. They offer exceptional color clarity, obviously very smooth application as you can see, and they're vibrant and luminous. The paints are crafted with high pigment concentration and minimal additives, ensuring a smooth laydown and lasting color.